Story time!
In the endless blue, the blazing sphere proclaimed his brilliance. I will shine forever, the world basked in his golden embrace. Below, a gentle luminary sighed, what of the distant lights? When will dreams flicker upon my glow? Anxiety whispered in the silence. The wise observers sensed the brewing storm. Without balance, all falters, light and dark must waltz in tandem. The tension grew thick among the celestial bodies. The fiery orb hesitated, admiration mixing with pride. What if he claimed the sky alone? Yet something felt missing in the vastness. Across the space, the soft light murmured, what if unity could birth beauty instead? Could sharing the heavens lead to fulfillment? With determination, he attempted to conquer the night. I will shine even then. The challenge ignited his spirit, but fatigue seeped in. Struggling against the encroaching dusk, his brilliance flickered. Light waned as night's soothing cover embraced the world. Awakening to wisdom, harmony blossomed. Together we create a symphony of light and shadow. He unveiled a new rhythm in the sky. The world stirred awake beneath their collaborated glow, vivid hues mingling with soft whispers. In unity, they found splendor. Awestruck, little ones wished upon bright sparks. In the night sky, they whispered their dreams, bathed in a celestial dance. Celestial bodies twirled gracefully, ribbons of light flowing in a cosmic ballet, an eternal embrace painting the universe anew. As day broke, the world thrived under their united watch. They breathed together, a vibrant reminder that together they shine supreme.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.